I am Jeneline R. Fragata,
I'm Darwin A. Santor.
and we are here to present our research entitled
Men, Mathematical Experience in the New Normal and Analysis. Introduction and Rationale, a phenomenological research that deals with the lived experience of the senior high school students of ETTMHS under the modular distance learning modality on the first semester and chooses to be in the limited face-to-face classes this second semester. The main purpose is to know their strengths, weaknesses, and learning gains under these two different approaches. To learning and recognize what learning modality suits them best in terms of learning mathematics. The outcome of this research can lead to determining the most appropriate modality a mathematics students should have. That could also lead on having a higher performance score and a meaningful learning outcome for the student respondents. This study could also be the basis for the next school year's mode of teaching and learning modality. Key literature. According to Colm David, experiential learning theory is a powerful foundational approach to all forms of learning, development, and change. Experiential learning describes the ideal process of learning, invites you to understand yourself as a learner, and empowers you to take charge of your own learning and development.
Methodology, Sampling. This research is limited to grade 11 senior high school mathematics students from modular distance learning modality who participated in the limited face-to-face classes.
For the data collection, the main instrument in this study is a structured pen and paper interview.
For the ethical issues, approval, confidentiality, and anonymity of the respondents are being exercised while conducting this study.
Plan for data analysis. So this research is a phenomenological study that utilizes credible qualitative data analysis. Results and discussions. In this study, the researchers come up with 10 master themes. For the modular distance learning modality, the master themes are mathematics subjects in modular distance learning modality, advantages of MDL modality, disadvantages of MDL modality, lived experiences of grade 11 students under MDL modality.
For the limited face-to-face classes, the master themes are mathematics subjects under the limited face-to-face classes, lived experiences of grade 11 students who participated in the limited face-to-face classes, advantages of the limited face-to-face classes, and the disadvantages of the limited face-to-face classes.
And the last two master themes are grade 11 students preferred modality, and the last one is highly recommended modality for the upcoming grade 11 students. Each master themes have superordinate themes which were given by the respondents. The first master themes, the second master themes, the third master themes, the fourth master themes, the fifth master themes, the sixth master themes, the seven master themes, the eight master themes, nine master themes, and the last master themes.
For the implications, the respondents experience more meaningful learning process and outcome in the limited face-to-face classes compared to the modular distance learning modality, due to the following factors such as the presence of the teacher, communication and interaction between the students and the teacher, and the time management. For the conclusion, grade 11 students experienced more difficulty in mathematics when they were in the modular distance learning modality rather than in the limited face-to-face classes. Overall, the respondents preferred face-to-face classes for their chosen modality and highly recommend the said modality for the upcoming senior high school students.
Recommendations. The following recommendations are suggested. Number one, the school should proceed to the full implementations of the face-to-face modality since the modality is said to be the most effective and the most preferred modality of the students. Number two, the school must look after the welfare of the teachers for they are very vital in delivering a more meaningful learning experience and outcomes of the students. And the last, the presence of the teacher on the transitioning process of having the class at home to the everyday face-to-face classes must be present. These are the references used in this study. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.